Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we are talking about something very interesting. Not the usual grammar rules, not the rules you memorize in school, but the hidden English rules that schools often forget to teach you.
Exactly. Many students study English for years. They learn vocabulary, they learn tenses, they learn grammar formulas. But when they start speaking English, they still feel confused.
They ask questions like, why does this sentence sound strange? Why do native speakers say it this way? Why is my grammar correct, but my English still sounds unnatural?
And that is the secret. English is not only about rules, it is also about patterns, habits, and natural expressions.
Today, we will reveal 10 English rules that can completely change the way you speak.
These are the rules that help you move from textbook English to real English.
So get ready, take your notes, because this episode is going to make English much easier.
The first rule is simple. English is not only a collection of grammar rules. It is a way of sharing ideas.
Many learners focus too much on being perfect. They stop speaking because they are afraid of mistakes.
But communication comes first. Imagine someone says, "I yesterday market go." The sentence is not correct, but we can understand the meaning.
Then, with practice, grammar improves. The important thing is to keep using English.
Native speakers also make small mistakes. They are not walking grammar books.
Exactly. The goal is not perfection. The goal is clear communication.
For example, instead of thinking, "Is my sentence 100% perfect?" think, "Can people understand my message?"
Confidence grows when you use the language.
The second hidden rule is a big one. Stop translating every sentence in your mind.
Many learners think in their first language. Then they convert every word into English.
And that creates unnatural sentences. For example, a learner may translate directly and say, "Open the light," but natural English says, "Turn on the light."
Another example, make a photo. Natural English, take a photo.
Every language has its own patterns. You cannot always move words directly.
The solution? Learn phrases, not only single words.
Instead of learning decision, learn make a decision.
Instead of mistake, learn make a mistake.
Your brain will start creating English naturally.
Rule number 3, never ignore small words.
Words like a, an, the, to, of, in, on, at.
They look small, but they control meaning.
Compare. I went school. I went to school.
That tiny word changes everything.
Or, I am in the car. I am on the car. Very different meanings.
Many advanced learners make mistakes with small words.
Because they focus on big vocabulary. But fluent English needs both. Big words and small words. The fourth rule is something schools rarely explain. Good English is often simple English.
Many learners think advanced English means using very complicated words.
But native speakers often prefer clear sentences.
For example, I would like to inform you that I am unable to attend the meeting.
A natural version? I can't come to the meeting.
Short does not mean weak. Short can be powerful.
Great communication is usually clear. Now we have one of the most important rules.
A collocation is a group of words that naturally appear together.
For example, we say strong coffee, not powerful coffee.
We say heavy rain, not strong rain.
We say fast food, not quick food.
Grammar is important, but natural word combinations make you sound fluent.
When you learn a new word, ask, what words usually come with it? English may seem random, but it has patterns.
For example, most verbs can become nouns. Create, creation. Educate, education. Improve, improvement.
Learning patterns saves time.
Instead of memorizing thousands of words, you understand how words change.
The same happens with pronunciation. Many words follow patterns. Grammar is important,
Vocabulary is important.
but pronunciation is also a key.
A person can know many words, but still be difficult to understand.
The goal is not to copy someone's accent.
The goal is clear speech.
Focus on word stress,
Sounds.
rhythm.
For example, present and present can have different meanings.
Stress changes how English sounds. Another important rule, English changes depending on the situation.
You speak differently with friends and in a professional meeting.
With a friend, hey, what's up?
In a formal situation, how are you today?
Both are correct. The situation decides.
Good speakers know when to use each style.
Textbooks are helpful, but real English exists everywhere. Listen to conversations, watch videos, hear how people actually speak. You will notice expressions textbooks may not teach.
For example, sounds good. Fair enough. No worries.
These are common in daily English.
The final rule, the most important one. Practice beats memorizing.
You can memorize 1,000 grammar rules, but if you never use English, you will forget.
Your brain learns through repetition.
Speak, write, listen, read every day.
Small practice creates big improvement.
Wow, George! Today we discovered so many hidden English rules that many learners never hear about in school.
Yes, and the biggest lesson is this. English is not only about memorizing grammar rules, it is about understanding how people actually communicate.
We learned that clear English is better than complicated English. Small words matter. Phrases matter. Practice matters.
We also learned that mistakes are part of learning. Every fluent speaker was once a beginner.
The difference between a beginner and an advanced learner is not that one person never makes mistakes.
The difference is that one person keeps practicing.
Remember the 10 important rules. Think in English. Learn phrases. Focus on natural expressions. Use simple sentences. Pay attention to pronunciation. Understand different speaking styles. And practice every day.
English becomes easier when you stop seeing it as a difficult subject and start seeing it as a skill.
A skill that grows every time you listen, speak, read, and write.
So don't wait for the perfect moment. Start using English today. Thank you so much for spending this time with us. We hope this episode helped you understand English in a new way.
If you learned something useful today, make sure to support us.
Don't forget to like this podcast and video. Your likes help us bring more English lessons for you.
Also, subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss our upcoming English learning episodes.
And please share this podcast with your friends, classmates, and anyone who wants to improve their English.
One share can help another learner start their English journey.
Keep learning. Keep practicing. Keep improving. Never stop growing your language skills.
This is Emily.
And this is George.
Thank you for listening, and we'll see you in the next episode.
Until then,
Keep speaking English with confidence. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.